Hello. In this video, we want to solve the following exponential equation exactly. We have 3 to the x plus 1 equals 27 to the x minus 3. Now, to solve this, we want to go ahead and find the common base between these two. Now, notice that the left-hand side has a base of 3, and the right-hand side has a base of 27. Now, if you want to find what the common base between these two is, notice that 3 is prime. So there's nothing that you can multiply together to give you 3. But 27 isn't. So we need to figure out 27 is 3 to what power? And to do that, off to the side if you need to, take that 27 and do prime factorizations of it, a prime factorization tree. Notice that the end of each branch is a 3. So this 27 is the same thing as 3 cubed. So this is going to give me 3 to the x plus 1 is equal to, and replace the 27 with 3 cubed. So now we have 3 to the x plus 1 equals 3 cubed, all to the x minus 3. Now notice we have an exponent to an exponent. And if you remember the order of operations, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, if you have an exponent to an exponent, you multiply the exponents together. In other words, we're going to need to distribute that 3 as the exponent to both the x and the negative 3. So this is going to give us 3 to the x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the 3x minus 9. Now, notice that we have a 3 on the left-hand side, a 3 on the right-hand side, so now we have a common base, which means the exponents must be equal to each other. Therefore, x plus 1 should equal 3x minus 9. And then just solve this any way you can. I would recommend subtracting x from both sides. That gives me 1 equals 2x minus 9. Then, of course, you can add 9 to both sides. So it gives you 10 equals 2x. Then divide by 2. And, of course, that will give you x equals 5. Awesome. Now, here's the thing. As long as one of these two numbers is what you're going to want to use, you can figure out what this is 3 to what power gives you this number. To do that, that basically means you want to figure out what is log base 3 of 27. The smaller number should always be here. The larger should always be here. So type in log base 3 of 27, and that should tell you 3. And that's where that 3 should also come from. That's another way of looking at this. Now, this won't always work if this number isn't prime, or if there are other basic, if there are other factors that may be used instead. And you'll see why here in just a second. So that's the reason I didn't really show you that to begin with. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next video. Have fun.